if you are not loyal as a lady, and if he is not loyal as your guy, you will go nowhere. In marriage and in relationships, a listening ear is needed. You apologize not because you are wrong, but you apologize just because you want to maintain what you have. Morning to you all. Doc is my name. Doc is my name. On today's video, I will talk about how to build up a relationship. I will talk about how to maintain a relationship, how to build up a marriage, how to maintain your marriage, how to have a successful relationship which will lead to marriage. Yeah, that's what we will talk about today. So if you are interested in knowing how you can build up your relationship, how you can strengthen your marriage, how you can keep your marriage well and strong, I want you to watch this video till the end. If you haven't subscribed, guys, I want you to press the subscribe button down there. I want you to smash the subscribe button down there. It's for free, guys. It's for free. Mahala. It's for free to subscribe. I want you to subscribe and support us so that we can keep on delivering the perfect stuff that you need, the stuff which will entertain you, the stuff which will help you, and the stuff which will take you to where you want to be. You understand? So I want you to smash the subscribe button. I want you to like our videos. I want you to comment on each and every single video. I want you to follow us on social media. I want you to follow us on TikTok. I want you to follow us on Instagram. I want you to follow us on Twitter. You can get the full details on the description below. The first thing you should know when it comes to relationships, the first thing you should know is that without loyalty, you can go nowhere with your partner. You can go nowhere. If you are not loyal, or if you are not loyal as a lady, and if he is not loyal as your guy, you will go nowhere. You understand? When it comes to love, you really have to be loyal. You really have to change your ways and be straight and clean when it comes to your partner. Because one of the things I can tell you, when it comes to love, ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi udisappoint ngumuntu omthandayo. You understand? Ayikho into ebuhlungu efana nokuthi uzwe something important from the people whilst umuntu othandana naye involved yena angakutshelanga. Like, it's so painful. Believe me, it's so painful. So the first thing that you should know, that you should have in you, so that you can just strengthen up your relationship, so that you can grow up your relationship, it's loyalty. You really have to be loyal. You really need to be loyal. Then before we go any further, first of all, what is love? Kahle kahle. Yini uthando kahle kahle? Bangani bam, what is love kahle kahle? I always hear people telling me about a strong feeling and stuff. Like, Love is not a feeling. No, there is nothing like that. Yabona, let me tell you something. Into ekhulunywa ngama dictionary, you understand, lento eyenzakalayo in reality life, these are two different things, you understand. So do not take into ekhulunywa ngama books and everything uqeda uyithathe uyifake ku reality. Love is not a feeling, because if love was a feeling, Luba, we got married to 5 ladies, we got married to 10, 15 ladies. Luba, we change wives each and every single day. Luba, we change girlfriends each and every single day. Why? Because a feeling, you can develop a feeling for someone nje. So ungabona umuntu azidlulela nje azigqokele ka nice nje, or you can even see a handsome guy driving a imoto sharp sibi. Uqeda ube ne feeling na. So if love is a feeling, then kusho ukuthi luba kumoshakele ke. You understand? So according to how I understand, and according to how I've learned, and according to what I have experienced, love is a choice. You understand? So you choose who to love. You choose ukuthi kahle kahle wena ufuna ukuba loyal emntwini wakho or not. You understand nje? So those are the first things okumele ubezazi when it comes to this love thing. Love is a choice. You understand? Okay, the second thing that I will talk about, the first thing I said, you have to be loyal. You understand? You have to be loyal so that you can go far when it comes to marriage, when it comes to relationships, number 1. Number 2, the second thing, it is respect. You understand? Ayikho indoda engafuna ukuthi ijole nomfazi ongahloniphiyo, and akekho umfazi ongafuna ukuthi ajole ne out engahloniphiyo. They understand? So kumele ube ne that self respect. You understand? You have to cut each and every single word that you speak. You have to cut each and every single action that you take unomuntu wakho. You understand? Because if you do not respect at all, kusho ukuthi relationship yakho will go nowhere. Kusho ukuthi ne marriage yakho will go nowhere. So respect is number 2. Then the third point, I will just talk to people who are married. Yeah. The third point, this one is for people who are married. The third point, it's submission. You really have to be submissive. Yeah, this one is so sensitive. If you check Christian life, according to what the Bible says, it says a woman ought to submit to her husband and everything, you understand? But how we live, for you to maintain your marriage as a man, you also have to submit again. You also have to be submissive. Because one of the things which I was taught before I got married, when I got married, one of the things I was taught is that in marriage you give and take. You understand? As a man now, of course you are the head of the house, but there are times and there are sessions whereby you really have to sit down and listen. You understand? So you need to be submissive. You need to update your partner on each and everything, unless if you are planning to do a surprise. But if kungasinto in a surprise phakathi, you really have to update your partner. You really have to kumele ube ne that spirit of oneness. You really have to share what you have. Naya share kona loko nako. I understand? So that's the third point. You really need to be submissive. We understand? You really need to be submissive. You really need to be submissive, because ayikho indoda engavuma ukuthi it might iyalibeka nayo imfazi kuyalibeka. We are understanding dear khona. Even if you check in relationships, there is no guy ongavuma ukuthi mathi uyakhuluma nomfazi naye akhulume when he rose, naye umfazi futhi uyaphakama, there is no future on such a relationship or on such marriage. That's what you should know. And same applies to men again. One of the things that I will tell you as a man, as a father of the house, as the king of the house, it doesn't mean you have to be high always. You understand? So there are times whereby now you really have to take your time and sit down. You really need to listen. You really need to sit down and be taught. You understand? Because in marriage and in relationships, a listening ear is needed. You understand, dear God? So the secret I want you guys to know, ukuthi umuntu ojola naye, or umuntu othandana naye, or umuntu married naye, ma phakama nawo ngaphakama, there is nothing elingayisolve lapho. You will solve nothing there. So try at least, if he gets angry, aphakame, you go down, you submit. Yeah, you understand, dear God? And if she is angry, or if she gets angry, aphakame, a complain and everything, now again as a man, try to go down and submit. We are understanding, dear God? Those are the things that you should know and that you should do for you to maintain up your relationship. Because if engaphakama now phakame futhi lonke lizaphakama, at the end of the day we have got two kings in the house. You understand? At the end of the day we have got two bulls in the house. We understand, dear God? So when a bull goes higher, kunelinye bull okumele lehle for peace to be there. You understand? But if wonke amabull angaphakama, then there is no one who will go down. So at the end of the day it becomes a mess. And one of the things I want you to know about relationships and about love and about marriage is that damages which are being made during a relationship course or marriage course or a love course now, they are hardly mended. It's hard to mend the damages on the process. So you really need to be wise in each and every single thing that you do. Yeah, understand? But at the end of the day, love is love. Love your partner. Sacrifice everything for your partner. Okay, the last thing that I will talk about today, it is apology. Yeah, the last thing that I will talk about today. One of the things that I want you guys to know, there are two types of apologies. There are two types of apologies. The first one, it's whereby you apologize knowing that you did a wrong thing. You understand? You apologize ukwazi ukuthi yabona ke lana ngimoshile. I really have to apologize because I messed up big time, guys. That's the first type of an apology. Then the second type of an apology, it is whereby you apologize not because you are wrong, but you apologize just because you want to maintain what you have. You apologize just because you want to keep the peace in you nomuntu wakho. You understand? You apologize just because you want to keep what you have. You understand? You want to maintain what you have. That's the second type of apology. So I want you to know and to have this thing in you, whereby when you guys argue nomuntu wakho, and when you try ukuthi menze abe on the same page nawo kilo, I understand, mawubona ukuthi I know ngathi story sami kaSpy, I know ngathi kazwisisi, just apologize in order to maintain peace. Just apologize. You lose nothing if you apologize. And same applies to your partner again. If Lisa, you really have to accept the apology. You get it? In order to maintain peace in your marriage or in your relationship also. You understand? So those are the keys to a successful relationship or a successful marriage, I want you to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. I want you also to follow us on TikTok. You can find the full details on the description below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I want you to smash the subscribe button. I want you to like our videos. I want you to comment if you've got a view or if you've got an advice. You can just communicate with us on Instagram. Check down on the description below. You can just communicate with us. If you need counseling or if you need an advice ngento eyenzeka on your relationship or on your marriage, feel free to come to our inbox on Instagram, then we will help you out. Or if you want us to post a video nge situation ogiyo explaining ukuthi lendlela ogiyo thina besizoyihenglisha kanjani, you understand, besizoyithatha kanjani, feel free to come to our Instagram, then we will take it from there. Thank you guys for watching this video.